Hey, we're down here at Trail's Edge today. I was just going to show you what we had used for our glass door in our main bathroom that makes me excited. So on this project we used this Calia glass door. It's got a hinge here, which is great, so you can move it around whether you want me to go in or out. Folds like this. The reason why I really like this door is because of this right here. If you want to take a peek at that, it's got a very small amount of area on the bottom that may be tricky to clean compared to a sliding glass door, which has got a very long surface area, because there's like a track usually that goes on the bottom, and trying to get in there and clean all these little surface areas is a pain in the butt. So the easier things are to clean, the easier it is to use, the more likely you're going to do it, the cleaner the place is going to be.